Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I will show you how to disable chat sound on Telegram. Guys, you can do it easily by following these steps. First, open Telegram. Then you can see many options on this page. Click on three vertical lines at top left corner. Then click on settings option. You can see there are many options. Click on notification and sounds. Then scroll down. You can see there are many options. Click on in chat sounds option. Finally guys, in this way you can easily disable chat sounds on Telegram.